Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arnav Jain and currently working as an SDO at Amazon. We have already started with AWS series and we have covered what AWS is, what regions are, what availability zones are, and what are data centers. If you haven't watched those videos yet, I'll highly recommend checking them first for better understanding. In today's video, we'll be focusing on how to create a free tier AWS account so that you can start working on hands-on practice with real AWS services. So we first need to go to the sign-in page of AWS. I'll be sharing this particular page link in the description as well. And today we'll be creating a root user. A root user is the actual owner of the AWS account, and later we can also provide access to our friends and teammates via creating IAM users. We'll be covering IAM user in upcoming videos, but for now we'll be focusing on creating root account itself. So first you need to go to the sign in page of AWS and you have to enter your email address, your account name, and then you need to verify your email address. So I have entered my email address and then I receive a security verification, verify the OTP and set your password. The password should be strong enough. Once you add your password, you'll be redirected to the choose plan page on AWS. On this page you can see two plans, one is free tier and other one is paid. In both free tier and paid, you will be receiving around 200 credits in your AWS, which can be used on selected AWS services. The main difference is in both free tier and paid is you can't scale your service beyond 200 credit limit. Once the credits are exhausted, your service will stop and no extra amount will be automatically charged to your credit card if you are using free tier. Whereas in paid plan, you can scale beyond 200 credits and additional build will be coming to your credit card or debit card. One more difference is that not all the AWS services are available in free tier, but the services required for learning and practices are more than enough. In paid, you can get access to all the services without any restriction. So yeah, you can choose the plan based on your requirements. I'll be selecting with the free tier because we are setting up this for the first time and we want to avoid any accidental billing while learning, right? Once you choose your plan, you will be redirected to this page where you will need to enter your personal information such as full name, phone number, address, and other required details. So once you add your personal details, you will be redirected to the billing information page where you need to add your credit card or debit card details. If you are choosing free tier, only a temporary charge of $1 will be made for verification purposes. This amount will be usually refunded within 3 or 5 days. As long as you stay on free tier, no additional charges will be applied to your card. Charge will be occur only if you upgrade to the paid plan. So if you're using free tier account, then nothing to worry about. You can safely add your credit card details and proceed without risk or unexpected charges. Once you add your credit card details, you'll be redirected to step 4 where you need to add your ownership. I'll be selecting ownership type as individual, and once you select that, you need to add your PAN card and date of birth details and upload your PAN card. Once you upload your PAN card, you will be redirected to the page where you need to verify your phone number. You will be receiving OTP on your phone number. Add the OTP, and once this is done, your AWS account will be created successfully. It's setting up. Yep, this is how your AWS account dashboard looks like. You can see AWS regions, which we have already discussed in the previous videos. Since it's a free tier account, there are some features, limitations which are there. We can't use all the regions, but yeah, these are the services that we have: compute services, container services, storage, databases, migration transfer, machine learning, networking. We'll be covering most of these services step by step in upcoming videos. Also, you can also see that in this account we have around 100 USDs which are remaining for 180 days. Around 180 days we don't use these credit, it will go away, and this is our account ID. So we have already set up our AWS account. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more AWS content. Thanks for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thanks a lot.